Best electric hand dryers. Number 3. AJAir hand dryer. Dry hands within 10 to 12 seconds, faster than low power, like 1200 watts, 800 watts lower energy consumption than old models, and no using paper towels anymore. LED light to assist with troubleshooting. Maximum draw of 4.5 amps allows for multiple units can be installed on one circuit, which significantly reduces the time and costs of installation. Pros: equipped with a high-speed motor capable of delivering up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. Stainless steel housing is stylish and versatile. Easy wall-mounted installation. Cons: small hand dryer. Can be difficult to find replacement parts. Bottom line: a premium option that dries hands in 12 seconds or less. Number 2. Interhasa hand dryer. This design is neither too big nor small, suitable for both commercial or home use. The sleek and minimalism design is an ideal decor for all kinds of bathroom style. Made with high-quality ABS plastic, which is long-lasting and easy to clean. You can easily get rid of fingerprints, dirt and dust away from its surface and stays new-looking. Pros: operates at 50 decibels. Heats up automatically based on a setting's ambient temperature. Looks and performs great in a commercial bathroom or kitchen. Cons: requires a drill for installation. Bottom line: a low noise and highly intelligent hand dryer. Number 1. XLERATOreco. Enhanced control features speed and sound control and externally visible LED light to assist with troubleshooting. Maximum draw of 4.5 amps allows for multiple units can be installed on one circuit, which significantly reduces the time and costs of installation. Represent a 95% cost savings when compared to paper towels and eliminates their labor, maintenance and waste, while creating a more hygienic restroom environment. Pros: heavy-duty metal housing, speed and sound controls, maximum draw of 4.5 A, which means multiple units can be installed on one circuit, rib reinforced for extra durability. Cons: not intended for use in cold environments, can be noisy at times. Bottom line: a budget-friendly and high-performance hand dryer. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.